Hello everyone! Today we will start a series of reviews of burners from the Terra Incognita brand. We will begin with the Hadar model. This is a lightweight and compact portable gas burner that screws onto the top of the gas canister. It comes in a hard plastic case for transportation, along with an operating manual. The burner has foldable legs on which the cookware is placed. Its power is 3000 watts. We conducted a series of tests and obtained the following results. So the weight, the burner itself weighs 101 grams. Together with the box, it weighs 136 grams. We measured the boiling time of 1 liter of water. The test was conducted indoors at room temperature. We have a boiling time of about 4 minutes. For this, we used a pot made of anodized aluminum, into which we poured water at the temperature of 15 degrees. We also measured fuel consumption. It took 18 grams of gas to boil 1 liter of water. The tests were conducted at the maximum power of the burner. Please note that the boiling time and fuel consumption depend on many factors, such as the ambient temperature, the altitude at which you are located, the cookware you use to heat the water, and others. A link to the burner will be provided below the video, so subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you next time.